Hey guys, welcome back to Jordan Samuel Skin Talks. How you doing? It's 1 o'clock, so I don't have a martini. But it's serious time because the first in our new and improved formulas coming out is the retinol treatment oil. The camera's having trouble focusing. I'm not even, I like to do it, but I'm not going to do it. So Etoile with retinol treatment oil is now retinol treatment oil. A lot of people had trouble pronouncing the name Etoile, and I know that when I don't like pronouncing something, I usually don't say it, or I usually don't gravitate towards it. So we're just keeping it really simple, retinol treatment oil. So before you all freak out, new and improved means just that, new and improved. It's basically the same formula, we've just made it better. And by saying same formula, I mean like the same oils, the retinol, all of that. So it's still the pure retinol, it's still the cranberry seed oil and the sweet almond and the argan and the marula and the evening primrose. We just have balanced out the oil so it wears better and it feels better on the skin. Something that we used to have I don't want to say an issue with, but being a smaller brand, was we'd use many different suppliers for many different raw ingredients. And while that will still be the case from time to time, we now can hone in and have more similar suppliers. So for those of you that were worried sometimes if the color was too dark, if it was too light, the smell was different, we've sort of evened that out, fixed that. So again, retinol treatment oil, same lovely, gentle retinol. It just wears so much better on the skin. The color is this beautiful light pale gold color. And this, you will see, is, first of all, this is shipping immediately. This video is going up as this new product is shipping. That this is the first with our EU labeling, so everything on here is EU certified. That doesn't mean, settle down, that doesn't mean we're selling in the EU yet, but this is the first of the products to get the full upgrade, and we're super excited. Just as you would pair this with the Hydrate Facial Serum or the Hydrate Mist, you would wear this the same exact way. It's gentle enough, it can be used twice a day. Just make sure you are always wearing your SPF 365 no matter what. Most people like starting out with this just at night, every other night. Maybe I do need a martini. But again, sweet almond oil, argan oil, marula oil, evening primrose oil, cranberry seed oil, rosehip oil, sea buckthorn oil, soybean oil, retinol, vitamin E, BHT. Lovely. It smells better. This is more a cranberry seed neutral smell. Those of you that have been like, oh, the new batch of the retinol smells, it's evening primrose. It's such a beautiful oil, but the raw oil of it is intense and not everybody's cup of tea. So we went in, we rebalanced the oils. We just made this a new and improved, lovely formula just for fun, just because I love doing it. One of my favorite things to do is to mix it with the Hydrate Serum. And I know many of you talk about like, isn't that diluting it? Isn't that, again, sometimes, especially if you want to use a retinol every night, diluting it slightly or buffering it slightly is great for the skin because then you're not getting all the irritation that you might get otherwise. So you can either put a layer of Hydrate on the skin first, or you can mix the two together. I've seen great success with clients who mix the two together. This is gonna be way too much for my hand, but just a few drops of Hydrate and a few drops of the retinol oil, and you mix it together and it just creates this, it's essentially a moisturizer without emulsifiers, because you have the great jelly texture of the hydration serum and then the beautiful retinol-based facial oil. And then it just feels so good on the skin. Again, you can do the same thing with the performance cream. You can do a little bit of, and this is actually a great one, to have the peptides and the antioxidants of the performance cream with a little bit of a retinol facial oil boost. It gives a little bit more moisture to the performance cream, and it gives that low dose of retinol, which is so great for the skin. Plus you have the green tea water, plus you have the chamomile extract, the olive leaf extract, the peptides, sodium hyaluronate. These three products are so fun to mix and match. But again, we're here to talk about the new retinol treatment oil. I should say new and improved. The new and improved formula of Etoile with retinol is retinol treatment oil. Shipping now from our site. Price hasn't changed. This is going to be much more wearable on the skin. It feels better. I've had clients use it already. I've used it and my sensitive skin does even better with this one. Better results, better wearable factor. And it just smells better. It has that light cranberry seed note. Again, which isn't always going to be as consistent with each batch, but now that we have a more defined way forward, you're not going to have different colors. Of course, it's going to change from time to time, or wildly different smells. But I hope you guys like it. Retinol treatment oil now available at jordansamuelskins.com. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye.